Are you thinking of farming? There are various considerations that should be made before venturing. Namely, 1. Carry out a feasibility study, as this will articulate all the pros and cons as well as the necessary requirements for the farm to succeed. 2. Establish the purpose of the farm so that from the outset of the venture it is clear what is to be achieved when it is all said and done. 3. Knowledge of the type of farm will also be helpful because a farm could be for crops, cultivation, animal husbandry, mixed farming, feedlots, industrial operations, fish farming, poultry farming, orchards, ranches, among others. 4. Source of capital is integral to the running and sustainability of the farm from the inception unto the nearest future, until such a time when the farm begins to generate revenue of its own. 5. Availability of land for the farm is also important. Lands could be acquired for farm through lease or outright ownership. 6. The location of the farm is of vital notice. The site where the farm is set up should have some proximity to the market. The type of soil and its suitability for the intended crops is also necessary for consideration. 7. The provision of manpower or labor for the farm cannot be neglected, as the farm will require skilled, semi-skilled, and unskilled manpower for efficient running. 8. Targeted niche or specific area of the market which the farm is expected to bombard with its products and services. 9. Consideration of security both of lives and property must be of marked significance so that thieves, nomads, or other invaders do not have a field day at any point in time. 10. The use of technology is quite common in this day and age in every facet of life and society. There are always novel and improved ways of carrying out farm operations. 11. Access to information and nutrients must be provided in and around the farm so as to keep abreast with latest developments. 12. There is the need to be properly networked or linked and connected with others in the same line of business so as to learn from them and share mutual benefits. Sometimes there are associations or guilds that provide such platforms which can also be helpful. 13. Insurance for the farm can also prove helpful, especially in the event of illnesses, accidents, damage, losses, death, or other unforeseen tragic occurrences. Insurance provides some level of guarantee for the farm investment. Thank you.